unfortunately I wasn't able to get any footage of me fixing the exhaust. But today we're just going to be putting this rear splitter back on and making the front air ducts for the brake cooling. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for future content. I hope to do some track days this year before the winter comes, and I'll get some footage of that as well. So, me not thinking, put the diffuser back on, forgetting that when I fix the muffler, there's a bracket in there. I don't know if you can see it or if it's too dark. There's a bracket for the heat shield, and that I have to cut off because the muffler's hitting on it. And I don't think I really need the heat shield. So now we gotta kind of finagle the sawzall in there and hopefully we can get it out. Finally got it off. No more banging. I want to go side to side. This car is not fun to work on. It's like it's been undercoated its whole life, and it's just oily like crazy. Maybe we'll have to give it a good power wash. We're gonna be making some air ducts where the fog lights used to be. Took the bumper off the car already. But so here we're gonna put, I bought some reducers, like PVC reducers, so I'm gonna try and heat them up and mold them into shape. Do the other side. Seems to fit pretty well. This actually looks from the front pretty neat. Silicone it up. I think it'll hold in there pretty well. Get it from both sides, make it look nice. Okay, so we got them all to fit. This one fits a little looser than the other one. It's a bit of a different shape, but I couldn't heat it up enough again to, I just didn't want to get soft again, so I'm just gonna see if we can work with that for now. The other one seems to stay in pretty good, so now we're gonna seal them in there. Hopefully this stuff that I have works. It's just like an adhesive, so I don't have any silicone, but we'll try it and see what happens. We are back, day 2 working on this bumper. We're gonna see if this holds. This glue seems to be, oh wow, it's way stronger than I thought it was gonna be. Stupid me, after doing this, I'm glad this worked, but I was driving and I forgot JB Weld exists. So I guess use what you got, see if it works, and thankfully it did. So now we're going to, I gotta try and fit these in here, because from heating these up and bending them, molding them into shape, this part got a little warped. I know I should have put this in there first, but I didn't have it at the time. And then put it on the car and then run the hose and run it to the brakes, or into the wheel wells anyways, and we'll have brake cooling. So let's get to that. One side in. It's pretty tight. I'm gonna see once it cools down, I'm gonna get some PVC cement, put it on there just to be safe. And so the plan for this is the hose is gonna go over here and then we just clamp it on, because the hose I have is too small to fit over that one. So this is how it looks from the front so far. I think it looks alright. I'm gonna clean it up and get a silicone around it. It'll look a little better than what we're working with at the back. So my plan here is to cut a hole. It's kind of not flat. So I'm gonna have to cut a hole with a hole saw and on both sides as close as I can get to equal. There's still some friggin' wash fluid in it. Put a piece of pipe in there and then just silicone it around and make sure it's sealed, obviously. And then we can still have washer fluid, and then we'll just run the hose through the bottle. So, see how that works. So I don't have a hole saw right now that's big enough, so I'm just going to leave this off for now. Maybe we'll put it on in the future. But let's deal with it. Now we got to deal with this. Hopefully keeping this up will work. So I didn't have the right reducer, obviously. So it actually just works. Like it places in there and there's enough tension on it where I don't think it's gonna come out. I don't know if you could see that. Try and bump up that a little bit. So it just kind of holds in there. When everything's set in place, there's enough tension to hold it. It comes out. Now it's time to finish the other side. Forgot to film anything on the other side, but feel free to end the video with watching me polish my headlights and make them nice and shiny. Like I said at the beginning, if you like this video and want to stick around for more content, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Like I said, I hope to get to some track days this year and get some practice before the events next year, before I get into some races, because seat time is probably the most important thing. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you back in the future.